Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. Tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Come along rear, we've got a rear spoiler, CLA 250 4MATIC badging, a set of clean floor mats, pull down rear seats. Coming up front, this one does have the Premium 1 package. We've got memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. A nice black wood trim. A hard keys for our radio. Heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This CLA has 19,441 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this CLA, check out feldmanimports.com.